Hi guys, let's see how to remove empty rows, blank rows in Google Sheet. So if your data has multiple blank rows or single blank row, if you want to remove it, then here is the fix. First of all, select all the data from which you want to remove the empty rows. Now click on data, and after that click on create a filter. Now click on any filter, and after that click on clear to clear all the filters, and after that select only blanks. Click on OK, and all the empty rows will be there. Now select those empty rows, right click and delete selected rows. Don't worry, your original data will not be will be untouched. Okay, now click on the filter again, click on select all, click on OK, and that's it. You have just deleted this. After that, select all the data, click on data again and click on remove filter. You have deleted empty rows and blank rows. Thanks for watching.